Our bridal keepsafe boxes are our most popular because of their protective qualities, elegant design, and quality pricing. Our customers have put their trust in them for years and have been more than satisfied with the results. We're sure you'll love them, and the bride will love being able to easily open and view their gown for a lifetime to come. Today we're going to show you how to package and preserve your gown using our bridal keepsafe boxes. Come on, let's get started. Gather the gown and the accessories that you'll be packaging. Before you package, make sure the gown has been thoroughly reviewed, repaired, and cleaned of any soil or stains. If possible, foam shoulder pads, foam bra cups, and metal buttons should be removed. Your box comes with an acid-neutral bust form, acid-free tissue, an outer shipping carton, and a customer care card that you can present to your client after packaging. You have the option of purchasing these boxes already assembled or unassembled. Unassembled boxes offer you a cost savings advantage and are convenient to store. Assembled boxes will save you time when packaging. Make sure your hands are clean and place your box on a clean, flat surface. Assemble your box if not already complete. Refer to our video or attached document for detailed instructions on how to assemble the bridal keepsafe box. If your box is assembled, you will need to remove it from the outer box and remove the window insert. If you ordered acid-free gown boxes, you will have an extra acid-free liner board that will sit on the base of the box. You can cover your bust form with acid-free tissue for added protection and for a more aesthetic appearance. Place the folded bust form into the bodice of the gown. If the gown has sleeves, stuff them with tissue. Line your box with tissue paper. Tissue can also be placed in the bows or trims to prevent crushing. The gown should be placed face down with the middle of the dress in the center of the box. The skirt and the bodice will be left outside of the box. Take a sheet of acid tissue and place it on the top of the center of the dress already inside the box. To package the skirt of the gown, fold one side lengthwise over and on top of the center of the gown already in the box. Place a sheet of tissue on that layer and repeat with the other side. Crumple a sheet of tissue into a roll and place it at the skirt end. Fold the base of the skirt up and over that and on top of the folded sides. The tissue protects, but it also provides cushion to keep the gown from getting creases in storage. Creases or folds will weaken the fabric in those areas over time. If you have a longer train, you'll need another fold. Place tissue in the second crease and more crumpled tissue along the waist and gently fold the bodice back into the box. Wrap any accessories in tissue paper and place them on the base of the box. If you have extra tissue and notice space in the box, be sure to roll the tissue and put it along the sides. Place the window cover over the gown for ease of viewing. Note that the acid-free boxes will have a white, acid-free, non-glossy window frame for additional protection. It will be white even if you ordered a gold acid-free box. Place the outer shipping box over the bridal keepsafe box. If using an outer muslin cotton cover, you would put that over the whole outer box and zip it closed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like or subscribe to our channel. Remember to visit our website for these and other great products. We'll see you next time.